Honey with Swiss Watch Expo. Today I'm looking at a Cartier watch that we just got in stock and it is amazing. It is this beautiful Cartier Panthere watch. This is a 26mm size, so it is technically a traditional kind of unisex size, but I think this is a size most ladies are normally wearing nowadays. This one is made entirely out of 18 karat yellow gold with this gorgeous Panther bracelet, which I love. I love how it looks. It's so comfortable and looks amazing on the wrist. It's also got a diamond bezel you can see on the outside, and Cartier diamonds are probably one of my favorites. They sparkle and shine with such beauty and intensity, and they just look absolutely stunning on the wrist when you wear it. It's also got this gold kind of reflective dial, and it looks beautiful. Of course, it just makes the whole watch look like a beautiful gold bracelet, and for the hour markers it's got, again, more beautiful diamonds. I think that this watch is just such a luxurious piece, and it looks great on the wrist. It's perfect for someone who loves yellow gold, who wears a lot of yellow gold, and wants to incorporate that into the watches that they wear. I think that this watch is definitely one you could wear to dressier or more formal occasions and not have it look out of place, even at this larger size. You know, traditionally cocktail watches are pretty tiny, but this one is just so gorgeous. I think you need it in a larger size to see all of the beautiful details. So if you are a fan of Cartier, if you are looking for an amazing Cartier watch to wear to more formal occasions, to weddings, to parties, to dinners, you should definitely check out this watch and the rest of our Cartier ladies collection at SwissWatchExpo.com.